Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to link your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. This is essential if you want to run video ads, track performance, or build audiences based on who interacts with your YouTube content. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, look over to the left navigation bar and locate the Tools menu. Click on it to open up more options. This is where you'll access all the backend settings and integrations for your account. Once the Tools menu expands, you'll see several options listed. From here, click on Data Manager. This section is your hub for managing all the data sources and products that connect to your Google Ads account. It's where you can link platforms like YouTube, Google Analytics, and other third-party tools to enhance your advertising capabilities. Now, you'll be presented with a page showing all the connected products under your Google Ads account. Scroll down until you find the Featured Products section. This area highlights the main platforms you can integrate with. Look for the YouTube icon and click on it. This is the starting point for linking your channel. A right side window will appear. This is the YouTube linking window, and it's where you'll complete the connection process. Start by entering the name of your YouTube channel in the search field. As you type, matching channels will appear. Make sure to select the correct one that you want to link. Once you've selected your YouTube channel, click on Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with this YouTube channel. This step is important because it verifies that you have the proper permissions to link the channel. Type in the email address and then click Next. Make absolutely sure that this is the email tied to your YouTube channel, otherwise the verification won't go through. Now, you'll reach the third and final step. Here, a confirmation email will be sent to the address you just entered to verify that you own the channel. Click on link and the system will send a confirmation link to your email. Head over to your inbox, open the email from Google and click the confirmation link inside. This completes the linking process and officially connects your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is now linked to your Google Ads account, which means you can start running video campaigns, building remarketing audiences, and tracking how viewers interact with your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.